Hi, it's Carrie. In today's 5-Minute Friday, I wanted to address field tag searching in other databases. And in this case, I'm in CINAHL on the EBSCO platform, or should I say CINAHL Plus with full text. And normally I do an unqualified search. So let's just look at what that looks like. And when I do an unqualified search, when I do any search, I try to remember to turn off apply equivalent subjects because that's just doing things that I wouldn't want done. It's not transparent. So we'll turn that off. And now let's click search. It may not matter when my term is in quotes, but I always like to be on the safe side. So cystic fibrosis in quotes, unqualified, by which I mean I did not select a field here, returns 11,075 in my version of CINAHL. Now, I've opened up a tab that shows us what exactly is being searched in an unqualified search. So let's take a look. And I see that this is from 2018, and I also realize that EBSCO has changed its entire interface for some users and is about to change its entire interface for other users. So this may be moot after a while, but let's do it anyway. So an unqualified search, which means you didn't put in any field codes, is going to search in most databases because EBSCO hosts a lot of databases. Remember, we used to call it EBSCO-host. Searches authors, subjects, keywords, title information, including the source title, so the journal or the newspaper or the magazine, and abstracts. If an abstract is not available, the first 1,500 characters of the HTML full text of the article are searched. I'm guessing that means if full text is available through your institution. So a little bit of wiggle room here. So we'll go back to our original search where I had cystic fibrosis. And now let's open up advanced search again because I like to make sure that this little button doesn't get checked again. This time we are going to say title, cystic fibrosis, or abstract, cystic fibrosis. I expect it will be narrower because I think fewer fields are being searched. So let's take a look. And that's correct, 9,451. If we wanted to add additional fields here, what we have available are a couple here at the top. Major word and subject heading, exact subject heading, subject. Now, depending on what you're looking for, you may like these other tags. There's nothing for keyword, actually, which is interesting. So let's add SU. And we're going from 9,451 now to 11,075. So let's see how that compared across each search. Ooh, this is interesting. Cystic fibrosis, unqualified, 11,075. Title and abstract, 9,451. Title, abstract, or subject, 11,075. Now I've noticed something that is happening here. Proximity search. Let's go back and do advanced. And they've changed things. I don't think it's going to matter here, but let's just try something different. Find any of my search terms. So I'm thinking this is more for when students come in and just put some words in without and or. Let's see if it makes any difference. So we had 11,075. And when I changed it to find any of my search terms, we still got 11,075. Let's say find all of my search terms. Same search. 11,075 because it's searching exactly as I entered it. So this was a good exercise in understanding what's happening behind the scenes. I tried it unqualified. I tried it with 2 field tags. I tried it with 3 field tags, and then I changed the search mode, which in EBSCO can tend to complicate things. So you always have to be aware of what could possibly be happening with your search. And so this is how I tend to search EBSCO, and this is how I tend to test things in EBSCO And given the choice, maybe due to laziness, I tend to do unqualified searches because I feel that it is documented here what is happening in an unqualified search. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.